Hello, and welcome to Top Tech News Today. Here is your daily dose of latest tech news from around the world. Nikkei Asia. Sources: SoftBank plans to buy a former Sharp LCD panel plant in Osaka for approximately $676 million and convert it into a data center for jointly developing AI agents with OpenAI. DeepSeek has shown little intention to further commercialize its tech in the near term, instead focusing on model development and building AGI. Terabase, which is developing robots and automated systems using AI to rapidly build solar farms, raised a $130 million Series C led by SoftBank Vision Fund 2. Flock Safety, maker of computer vision-enabled video surveillance tech for police and businesses, raised $275 million at a $7.5 billion valuation, up from $4.8 billion a year ago. OpenAI calls DeepSeek state-controlled and recommends that the U.S. ban PRC-produced equipment and models that violate user privacy and create security risks. Apple is planning an AirPods feature that will enable live translation of in-person conversations, coming in an update due later in 2025 tied to iOS 19. Crypto payments company MoonPay acquires Iron, an API-focused stablecoin infrastructure company, a source says for $100 million plus after acquiring Helio in January 2025. NVIDIA is expected to announce new GPUs, named after Vera Rubin, the female scientist who discovered dark matter, on March 18th at its annual GTC conference. Cohere debuts Command A, its latest generative AI model for agentic enterprise tasks, with a context length of 256K tokens and requiring just two A100s or H100s. Google makes Gems, its personalized Gemini chatbots, free for all users and offers a few pre-made gems like Brainstormer, Career Guide, and Coding Partner. Google says Gemini can now personalize answers based on users' search history, an experimental feature for Gemini and Gemini Advanced subscribers on the web. Google says Gemini users can now try deep research for free in 45+ languages, and the tool is now powered by its Gemini 2.0 flash-thinking experimental model. In a proposal for the White House's AI Action Plan, OpenAI calls for a strategy that preserves American AI models' ability to learn from copyrighted material. Microsoft announces Copilot for Gaming, available through the Xbox mobile app initially for Xbox insiders and designed to work as a companion or gaming coach. GSR, one of several VC firms rebuked in 2024 over China investments, splits its China business from its U.S. business, which is renamed as Informed Ventures. Oracle is a leading contender to help run TikTok US. ByteDance management prefers Oracle, but wants to retain a hands-on role with TikTok's operations. Omni, which offers data analysis tools, raised a $69 million Series B led by Iconic Growth at a $650 million valuation, bringing its total raise to $97 million. Meta says Community Notes will use the same open-source algorithm that powers X's Community Notes, but it plans to modify the algorithm to better serve its apps. Meta plans to test Community Notes on Facebook, Instagram, and Threads in the U.S. from March 18th. Joel Kaplan says Notes will not have distribution penalties. Tel Aviv-based Bria, which licenses images from 30+ partners like Getty to train AI, raised a $40 million Series B led by Red Dot, taking its total funding to $65 million. Xiaomi plans to pre-install PhonePe's Indus App Store on all new smartphones sold in India and replace its GetApps App Store with Indus App Store on existing ones. Estonia-based Blackwall, formerly BotGuard, raised a €45 million Series B to protect small and medium-sized businesses from malicious online traffic after a €12 million Series A in March 2024. Alibaba debuts New Quark, an updated app using its flagship Qwen reasoning model, rolling out gradually as it seeks to keep up with DeepSeek and Chinese rivals. Singapore prosecutors say a case in which Singapore-based companies are accused of fraudulently supplying U.S. servers to Malaysia involves $390 million in transactions. Intel's new CEO Lip-Bu Tan says he will work to make Intel a top foundry, signaling he'll stick with the costly plan that contributed to Pat Gelsinger's ouster. Japanese chipmaker Robotics has been slow to attract private sector investment, with only around $49 million invested so far, compared to $6.23 billion in state assistance. German startups raised approximately €7 billion across 755 deals in 2024, up from approximately €6 billion across 861 deals in 2023, but far below the €17 billion plus peak in 2021. CoinGecko data shows that daily crypto trading volume dropped from a peak of $440 billion in early February 2025 to $163 billion on March 12th, a 63% decrease. Boston-based Insilico, which uses AI for drug discovery and has extensive operations in China, raised a $110 million Series E led by value partners at a $1 billion plus valuation. That was all for today. Thanks for watching, and we shall be back tomorrow. Please subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get updates about our latest videos and daily tech news. Thanks again for watching.